Let me enter into today's satsang. Please listen. Today I wanted to reveal this important truth to all of you, and I wanted this to become part of your immediate cognition. The first thing, human beings go on fantasizing, go on visualizing this all should happen in my life, but go on continuing to have the lifestyle, thinking style, working style completely opposite to what they want to achieve. Listen. Want to have some things as a reality in the life, but working completely in the opposite direction. The thinking style, working style, everything completely in the opposite direction. This is what I call vasana. It is like there are some fellows who wanted to melt down in devotion, bhakti. When they see the devotees ecstatic, just lost in the ecstasy, they get jealous. See this person's devotion. What a joy he or she is radiating. They are ecstatic. They are jealous, seeing the ecstasy of the devotees. But what need to be done to achieve that as a reality? They will not do. Their lifestyle, the way of acting, way of thinking, everything will be completely in opposite direction. Same way in the world, they will see the successful CEOs sitting in a rotating chair, addressing the roundtable conferences, flying in private jet. All that they will see, they will feel jealous, they want to create that as their reality. But if you see their thinking style, the working style, the functioning style, they will continue to remain in their default thinking, feeling, acting, living style, which is completely opposite to the reality they want to cause. This is what I call vasana. Please understand. Immediately what binds you is vasana. For example, if you are put in prison, police, judiciary, prison authorities, all of them only largely bind you. But immediately what binds you is the bar, the door, and the lock and key with which the door is locked. That only immediately binds you. Same way, the maya, ignorance, all that only largely binds you. But vasana is the door, gate, immediately binds you. Many times you do not know who is that officer who convicted you or who is that officer who locked you up. But you will feel the suffocation, boundedness, when the door is locked, just like the door is the immediate bondage you experience. In the life, vasana is the immediate bondage. Understand? One good news you have is, in the system of the country law, even if you escape from the immediate bondage, like you break the prison and run away, the largest bonding system, the police or all that system, they will somehow bring you back and put you in the another prison. But the good news you have is in the cosmic law, the moment you break the immediate bondage, the whole cosmos supports you and liberates you once for all. This is the biggest difference between the country law and the cosmic law. End of the day, country law is man-made. Cosmic law is God-made. Naturally, the purpose is different. Understand? And ultimately, even country law cannot torture you when God wants to protect you. Listen. God has a space even in the hearts of the people who execute country law.